Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright, because I love the way
Hola! Me llamo Ashley y Allison. Nosotros caminamos a la Quiznos. Woo! That's our Spanish, and if you don't speak Spanish, I just said we are walking to Quiznos. But first I said, hello, I am called Ashley and this is Allison. And we're walking, to Quiznos. I've never been there. This is Allison's first time to Quiznos, so we're doing a Quiznos vlog. And I'm glad I don't live like a crowded neighborhood, because people would stare at me. And there's a guy, look at him, staring at us. How rude. Yep, so we are walking, and we will video you when we get to Quiznos. We are at Quiznos. What do you think of it, Allison? What do you think about Quiznos? Pretty good. We got the Choose Any Two, the beef, cheddar, and bacon sandwich. It looks like this. I ate it. And then we got this taco salad with chicken and lettuce. And then this sauce is too spicy for her, so I had to eat it like on my own. But that's okay. And then some chips. Which are mine because she just wanted it. And some raspberry lemonade. Delicious. Now let me show you the menu. She's eating her salad. The bite of the salad's ready, and then you dip it. Alright. That's ma'am. So yep. So I guess we will see you on our way home.